The USU software team welcomes you here. We are engaged in the development of specialized software, and we are happy to bring to your attention a new generation program of Steam House and Sauna accounting. The program is launched with a shortcut on your desktop. Then a login window appears. Each user works under an individual login, which is password protected. Also, each employee has individual access rights to see only the information that is within their authority area. Individual authority is configured for employees and the head of the organization. We will enter the program under the main role to see all the functionality. It is very easy to learn to work in our program. It consists of only 3 basic blocks: modules, directories, and reports. To start working in the system, you need to fill in the directories only once to automate all quantitative and financial calculations. The money directory is designed to control financial accounting. Besides, you can specify methods of bonuses calculation for your clients. The organization directory is used to separate your warehouses and branches, to keep track of your employees, and to further track the profitability of your marketing promotions. The nomenclature block is needed for warehouse accounting of goods. It is possible to adjust the necessary parameters to provide the automation of stock balance control. The goods card report will form full statistics of deliveries, sales, and availability in the warehouse for any item and period. All goods can be divided into convenient categories to quickly find the right one in the nomenclature. Price lists provide individual prices for selected customers. Here you can easily print the price list of the whole nomenclature or of the selected category of products. In the tariff section, you create a convenient price setting. It can be a per-minute accounting of the visit, a one-time visit, or various gifts and personal cards. This is all you need to do to adjust the directories. The information system will use them to perform all the necessary calculations in the future. The main work in the program is done in the modules block. The visit section is used to perform the registration and accounting of visits. When you accumulate a lot of records, you can display a list of visits for a specific period by client's name or club card using the search option. If you leave the search fields empty, the program will display a list of all registered visits. To add a new entry, right-click on an empty space in the table and select Add. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. When you need to select a client, the program itself redirects you to the Clients tab. If the client is already in the database, you simply need to select him or her. To quickly find a client, just enter the first letters of the name, phone number, or club card. If the client is a newcomer, you easily register him or her, specifying the contact information. The type of bonuses, the price list, and the source of information are filled in automatically for your convenience, so that you can quickly save the client card if you need it. You can change all these fields later at any convenient time. After selecting a client or card, you automatically return to the window adding a visit. Now you can change the tariff for the selected visit, as well as indicate that the client came not alone and enter a personal discount, or specify any text note about the visit. The program automatically registers the time of arrival. At the same time, the visit itself is highlighted in green in the table, so your administrator can easily find clients who stay in the hall, although it is time to leave. You can rent out goods to your clients right in the software. To do this, you need to specify the item from your nomenclature in the Rent tab. When the client is going to leave, the program reminds the administrator that the rented goods need to be returned. Our system uses a special modern interface for sales. Here you can visually see the availability of a product in the selected warehouse, compare its image, find any item by a barcode, item number, or even part of the name. Any sale can be made with just a barcode scanner. You can use it to choose the desired product, as well as set a discount for the customer and complete the sale itself. In this case, your employee doesn't even have to touch the keyboard or the touchscreen. And that's not all the functionality. You can mark missing items to increase the assortment in the future, quickly make returns, and even postpone the sale to continue it at any time. After the sale, a receipt is printed in the form you want. When the client leaves, the employee only needs to click on the checkout action. The program automatically calculates the amount to be paid according to the chosen tariff. The information system also provides warehouse accounting. The goods module provides accounting of payments to suppliers, tracking debts and prepayments, as well as supplies and movements of goods from one warehouse of the organization to another. The inventory module helps to compare the actual and planned quantities for any warehouse or branch. The applications module is issued to schedule the purchase of goods which you don't have and those of which you are running out. The Money tab allows you to control any financial movement, for example, the rent of premises, payment for utilities, or settlements with suppliers. Each entry has information of the exact date, the financial item, the program user who added the entry, and the sum to be paid. The Notifications tab helps to make a mass or selective email or SMS distribution at very favorable rates to notify customers about new discounts, special offers, or to congratulate them on a special occasion. In the Reports block, you can find all the statistics you need for financial and management accounting. Here you will find detailed information on your income and expenses. You can easily track the dynamics of profit growth and find the most promising clients. To automate organizational processes, the software shows how much you need to pay to your employees, as well as who has debts to your organization or which suppliers you need to pay. Separate accounting by branches helps you to find the most profitable outlets. The software will compare products according to their sales rating in quantitative or financial terms. Warehouse reports reveal the goods from which you are running out and the balance of any department, as well as show whether they were returns or not, or what for your customers asked in the required period. You can generate a forecast report to always know for how many days you have the products to work successfully, taking into account the current sales. You can also find out which product was not sold at all with the poor selling report. The software has other reports for collecting various statistics and analyzing all the main business processes of the company. We have shown you only a small part of all the features available in the program. You can find more information using the contacts from our official website, USU.kz. We work with companies all over the world. Call or write. Find out how we can automate your organization. The USU software. Manage your business properly.